Welcome to this video tutorial on trees in C#. In this session, we're diving into one of the most essential and powerful data structures in computer science. You'll learn what tree structures are, how they work in C#, and how to build and traverse them through simple, beginner-friendly examples. Whether you're a student, a beginner in programming, or just brushing up your skills, this video is designed to give you a clear and practical understanding of tree data structures. Let's get started. A tree is a hierarchical data structure that consists of nodes, where each node has a value and links to child nodes. The topmost node is called the root, and each node can have multiple children, making trees ideal for representing structured data such as file systems, organization charts, or hierarchical menus. In C#, tree structures are typically built using classes and references to create parent-child relationships. For example, a binary tree has each node connected to at most two child nodes, commonly used in searching and sorting algorithms. Understanding trees helps in solving complex problems more efficiently. Watch the video on how the trees work in C#. In this video, we discussed what trees are, how to define a basic tree node in C#, and how to construct and traverse a simple tree structure. We covered essential concepts like root, child, leaf, and traversal methods such as in-order, pre-order, and post-order. These techniques are widely used in data organization, parsing expressions, and building decision-making systems. By understanding tree structures, you've taken a big step forward in mastering data structures in C#. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on trees in C#. We hope you gained a solid understanding of how trees work and how to use them in your C# projects. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions or ideas, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming lessons. In our next tutorial, we'll explore graphs and their implementation in C#, so stay tuned and keep building your programming skills.